How to check Facebook ad performance insights. To check your Facebook ad performance, start by going to Ads Manager on either the Facebook website or through the Meta Business Suite app. Once there, select the campaign, ad set, or individual ad you want to analyze. Facebook will then show you a detailed dashboard with key performance metrics such as reach, impressions, engagement, click-through rate, cost per result, and overall spending. These numbers help you understand how well your ad is performing and whether it's achieving your chosen objective. You can also customize the columns to display only the data that matters most to you, such as conversions, video views, or landing page views. To better understand your audience, check the demographic breakdowns. You can also adjust the date range and compare different ads. Reviewing these insights regularly helps you improve targeting, manage your budget wisely, and boost results over time. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.